All right, so yesterday you wrote your first information book, and I have kind of flipped through those, and I'm not gonna lie, I think we're missing some information for this to be like a real information book. So today we're gonna revise yesterday's information because I feel like they're kind of empty, they're kind of skimpy, they're not full of detail and all the things that I need to put in there for it to be an informational book. So what we're going to do is we're going to talk about how do I revise my information on and give it more things. So today I want to teach you that to write information books that teach the reader something new and interesting, it helps to return to a draft and add more information to each page. So I want to show you this chart here. And the chart says, it's kind of fuzzy because it's dark in here. Writers ask questions. Who, like for mine, who can drink coffee? What can coffee do for you? Like, how does it benefit you? Where can I find coffee? And where do you see people drinking coffee? Okay. I could also put like when. When do people drink coffee? Well, some people only like it in the mornings. Some people like it all day. Me as a school teacher, I need coffee all day long to keep going. Why? Why do people drink coffee, and why do people make coffee? And so on each page, I want you to go back and add a who, what, where, or why. Actually, I just want you to add 2 of those. So on each page of your booklet, so you're going to add 6 new revisions today. And if you're doing it online, you can just insert a text box and then add that information on that, like a little sticky note of some kind. So if you're real computer literate, you can add a sticky note and add that information. But we're going to go back on each page and give more information using the questions who, what, where, and why. Let me make sure I'm telling you everything I need. So if you were writing a story about fireworks, like maybe you would say who can or cannot use the fireworks. What injuries can they cause? Where should you or should you not light the fireworks? When are you old enough to do the fireworks? Why are people allowed to buy fireworks if they're dangerous? How can we avoid firework injuries? So we want to go to each page and we want to use those questions. You may want to write these down. Who, what, where, and why on each page. So like I said, you only have to add 2 today, but when we're revising, we want to make sure we're including all of these extra things. So today, for your writing, you're going to go to each page in your booklet from yesterday, and you are going to revise and add to it.